Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlong.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, look at the daily target, do it. That's what I'm going to do right now. And this is two radial gradients, is how I would like to do this. First radial gradient is transparent on the inside. No, actually, they do the yellow. Do the yellow on the inside and transparent on the outside. It needs to be 1Q, and it's going to be at 30%, something like that. And it needs a radius. Is that our circle? Ooh, it's close. How about 28%, 29%? Oh, yeah, it's probably 110, 115, 115. Okay. 42, 43, 45, 45 pixels. And then the second radial gradient, we need a comma. And then rather, well, I suppose we need purple because we're lower purple and then yellow. And that's what we get. This needs to be at what? 245, 50, something like that. Go further over, 275, 285. Great. And then we need purple as the last color. 0, 60 pixels, comma, 70, 80, 90, 85. Probably that's it. So we have a transparent, so we have a radial gradient that's just a yellow disc, transparent outside it, and then we have purple, yellow, purple for the rest of it. Is there another way to go? Let's minify and unit replace. I think we're done. Submit. You could create two elements. There's nothing preventing you from creating two elements as well. Looks like it's got a 45, 45. So something kind of interesting. So yeah, let's use a blank template, and we're gonna try what? We're gonna try an outline, and a box shadow. Let's see if that works. So we're gonna put purple on the body, and I'm gonna create this first purple figure, and I need more radius. Okay, let's push it down. So I just want to make the purple inside that. The purple inside the yellow, larger yellow circle. So to do that, I need more margin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 62. And then a little more margin here, 2, 3. And then this number doesn't matter for my purposes. I need to push it down further. Here, 7, 8, 9, 100, 101, 102, 3, 4, 105, 105, and then this height is, oh, it's 90, isn't it? Yeah, and then we do a border radius. That border radius is 50%. Oh, and that's close. Not quite there, not quite there. We need 32 here. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to do it out. So I'm going to set color to yellow. Right, and I don't need a background. And I'm going to do box shadow minus 100 pixels, 0. So there's the box shadow of this element. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to try for an outline. Outline, just going to be a great big weird outline. Solid 50 pixels. Solid 40 pixels. And that's pretty clean. Let's submit that and see if that's valid. So a single figure element. That is 100% match. Let's minify and unit replace. Probably we don't need that. Submit. Is that a better score? I kind of doubt it. Well, and then what if we, so I'm going to copy and paste that and do the nested template, which is the HTML element and the body element. And so I'm going to do something very, very, very similar. I'm going to steal these margins. Okay. And probably this will be 105 as well. Maybe. The background needs to be purple. I'm going to steal what? The color, box shadow, and outline and apply it on the body element. So there it is. Then I can get rid of all this. Did that work already? These margins are wrong. 100. 92, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. So 97. This is probably 97 as well. 97. And then we need a border radius on the HTML, on the body element border radius. So we're adapting the code that we wrote that we think already works. Oh, I've got a background, a stray background from the original plugin. Minify, submit. So that's outline. Outline does not, so we could use border, but then we wouldn't be able to make this clean box shadow. So, and that is a better score. The reason, why does outline work? Outline works because outlines do not participate in the size. An outline was really intended to be an accessibility component of links and other kinds of elements that you're maybe focused on. So that outline is meant to be user facing in a very particular way. When you, if you were tab through links on a page, usually it's the outline that does that thing. In the old days, people hated that. There were designers like, why are you adding this additional thing? Remove that thing. And there's actually a page on my lab site which is like, hey, don't do that. Don't use tools to remove focus. Don't use tools to remove that kind of thing. That is rude. That is rude to people who need accessibility features, and it is. So yeah, we don't do that anymore. So I think we got a final submission here, and then we're all done. This is weekend is ending for me, and yeah, it's a better score. Super fun, thoughtful challenge. I do like the radial gradients the best, but I like thinking through what other ways there might be to do things too, since the circle is the same as the box shadow, and the outline doesn't participate in making that box shadow any bigger, so it works really well. All right, hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage, and I'll see you around.